Good morning, YouTube. It's Green Bay Wacky. I just wanted to post this video real quick. It's on my heart. It's on my mind. Okay, guilting people, pressuring people into friendships, bad strategy. Let me explain it real quick. Just hear me out. Come on, I'll make this video short. It's been talked about a lot lately. Everyone's talking about it lately. It's getting to be like an epidemic. Just two things. Number one, if you don't know this, I have a playlist on my channel. I call them YouTube Life Lessons. I'm just trying to share my experiences on YouTube, and it's all in love. It's to help you be a better YouTuber. My heart wants you to be. I want to become a better YouTuber. I've made mistakes. I'm not perfect. I've made a bunch of them. But wouldn't you rather benefit from my experience of years and years on here? I can tell you what I've done right and wrong. Okay, number one, I hate this. It's my pet. Actually, I don't want to say hate. That's a strong word. Dislike, okay? I dislike this. Publicly shaming people through comments and live streams. And here's my pet peeve. Wacky. You've never watched my videos or come to my live streams. Really? You're going to build solid friendships? You're going to attract me to your channel and want to make me be part of your channel by publicly shaming me? I'm subscribed to like 1,200 channels, 1,400 channels. I can't remember where I've been. And people misunderstand something. Just because a person hits subscribe doesn't mean you own them, doesn't mean they owe you anything. Sometimes, have you ever done this? Maybe you see something, a live stream, a video, a snippet, something where you're just kind of interested and you hit subscribe, right? It doesn't mean you might never get back there. You might forget about it. But at that moment in time, you hit it to kind of, maybe you'll come back there. So just remember that when people subscribe to you. Yes, I made a video about it earlier. I want organic subscribers. I really want them to watch my content. But it's not a guarantee just because someone hits subscribe. Publicly shaming people like that will not build friendships. And I guarantee you this, be honest, if you've done it once, you've done it 100 times, maybe 1,000 times. And so your strategy is flawed. You will never build friendships by guilting people like that, okay? Enough said. I don't even know how else to say it. Stop doing it. Number two, pressuring people to come up on live streams, panels, things like that. Like JoJo talked about. Great video, JoJo Walker, by the way. Guys, check it out, JoJo Walker's channel. She just posted. Anyway, can I come up on your panel? Can I come up? Can I come up? Can I come up? Can I come up? I've had it with some channels where they've Twitter messaged me like 8, 9, 10 times. They've emailed me. And this is one time. And then it's happened like other times. If you add that up, that could be 80, 100. I'm not exaggerating. For the purpose of this video, I'm serious. There have been people that obsessed. You're not going to get up like that. Look, the best way to build a friendship, be respectful, laugh, talk, build a friendship with someone. If I were to get a message like this one time, and I mean one time, if I get a Twitter direct message that said something like this, Green Bay Wacky, I really love your shows, your content, you make me laugh, you're awesome, I really appreciate you. Hey, if you ever, need a fill-in, you're bored, something like that, I would always be willing to come up on your panel. Just keep me in mind. Thanks so much. Love, Bob Anderson. And I got a message like that once, I would file it away in my mind that I might bring him up on the panel at some point. That would be an appropriate message. Don't get obsessed with clicks. I'm so tired of this term. Clicks, groups of friends. Build your own groups of friends on your own streams, on your own channels. Just because I'm comfortable with certain people, just because other channels have clicks. I have lots of channels I go to where I am never asked up on the panel. You think I'm crying about it? I'm not crying about it. I don't care if I get on someone's panel. I don't care who watches my videos. Yes, I want to build loyal followers, but I don't care because that's up to you, all right? So stop just pressuring people and guilting people. It's a flawed strategy. And if you're one of those people, don't take this like I'm yelling at you. I'm not. I'm ranting a little, but I'm not mad at you. I want you to be a better YouTuber. I want you to build better friendships. Some of these friendships, these people you see that are up on my panels, we talk on a daily basis, on and off camera. We help each other. We do things for each other. We hang out together. If you want to call that a clique, can you honestly tell me you don't have any groups of friends that you hang out with on Facebook, in real life? It's nothing personal. It's not that we don't love you. Not everyone is going to become friends with every particular group, okay? Enough said. Change your strategy, build friendships by being kind, loving, friendly. Think about your comment every time before you hit send or post. Think about it. I've done that before where I've been heated and I wanted to say something and I've erased it. No, I'm not going to say that. That's where you need to be thinking. Okay? I love you guys. I want you to be better YouTubers. All right? Be a better YouTuber. That's it. I have nothing else to say. I'm stopping this recording. Love you.